Yeah, here's Thomas from Thoorsworld. I'm here in front of Thoor Turbo. It's an electric bike caravan. It's pushing a normal bike because the motors are in the caravan, and I do a range test and a flat area. So I'm here in the south of Styria. It's in Austria, and yeah, so the distance today will be around 20 to 22 kilometers, or even a bit more. I will put all the data here in the video, in the end of the video. And if you are interested to know how I built this caravan and the technique around this caravan, yeah, it would be nice that you follow my channel. I will do this video soon, so please push the bell button and the thumb up button, and if you have questions or something, just do it in the comments. So thank you, bye. So now I finished my test ride with Thoor Turbo in the background. I started with 97% of battery, and I did 26 kilometers with 3 uphill sections. They are not really high, but one is pretty tough for me, let's say, when I ride my normal bike up there. But with the caravan it's easy, so it pushed me up around with 17 kilometers per hour. It used around 700 watts, so the power consumption of the motors was around 700 to 800 watts. And I could finish now the tour, so the 26 kilometers started with 97% of battery. Now I have 82% in the battery. It took me 2 hours for 26 kilometers, but I stopped and I did quite slow. So I stopped very often, but I drove not really slow. I drove between 25 and 27 kilometers per hour on the flat, in a flat area. Yeah, my faucet for this test ride is really good. I did, let's say, not much by myself. Mostly I let me push from the caravan, and when I calculate in November, mid of November here, the sun is not really high, so in summer I will come much longer distances. And yeah, in the end I can achieve 150 kilometers with that speed, and yeah, I think it's really good. So if you're interested in more information about all the technique behind, please join the channel. Have fun.